Hi, good afternoon, guys. We had a Azure standard order pickup today, so I just wanted to show you guys real quickly what I got. Oh wait, I should have went. Okay. Battery is dying. I gotta plug it in. I'm going to give you guys the price of the things. First is the 5 pounds, which I got 2 5 pounds of the frozen whole strawberries. So it's 2 of these boxes. And this is how it looks. So, strawberry jam to come to put on your whatever you want to put it on. Okay, let me try to get this angle properly. Is this strawberry? This is another. This is the other box of strawberries. So that's 2 strawberries right there. So that's 10 pounds altogether, and that was $35.54. I did not purchase strawberries when they were in season. And 2 5 pounds of the same thing of frozen blueberries, the whole frozen blueberries. 2 5 pounds, and this is what it looks like. So that's that. And this one. God bless you. And okay, let's do what's up next on my list. Then I got then we got 20 pounds of the Gala organic apples, which is this box right here. I mean, it's gorgeous apples. And the kids are ready to snack. I'm going to use some of this for the apple pie filling, and also I'm going to put a good amount of this into the refrigerator to store for fresh eating. And what is up next? The Barlett pears. The apple, the Gala apple is 20 pounds. And these pears right here, the Barlett pear, red and green. You see it? This is 20 pounds also. Okay, so the apples, the 20-pound apple is $38.50, so I got that in season. And the pears, the Barlett pears, are $22.05 for 20 pounds, which is awesome. So this is going to be sliced pears for the children, canned sliced pears, and also keeping some of it fresh eating. And then we have, I'm just going to go through the fruits. Then we have a 20-pound box of apples. It's called Husbandberry. What is it?
Husbandry.
Husbandry. Azure Husbandry apples. Ginger gold organic apples. And these are gorgeous. I had one on the way home. Okay? They're beautiful apples. My daughter's over there being miserable because she wants one. So some fresh eating, some canning, some apple slices, some apple pie, and applesauce. And then of course, we're keeping the peels. We're keeping the peels so we can do apple jelly. And then I got, what is this? Fennel seed. Where is it at? Okay, fennel seed. I got the organic fennel seed, whole organic. And that was, this is a 4-ounce package. My husband wanted the fennel seed. Was it a fennel seed you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fennel seed. I didn't get turmeric there. You saw turmeric? Yeah, I didn't see turmeric. I think I picked up turmeric before. So this 4-ounce pack was $5.27. I also got some ground black pepper. 2 of these actually. This is 4 ounce. And that was $10.30 each. No, for 2. Oh yeah, the turmeric is here. And this is a 4-ounce pack of ground nutmeg. The holidays are coming, we need it. $9.40. And I got turmeric powder, organic turmeric powder, which is the 4-ounce pack for $11.60. And oh, the allspice. This is allspice for $5.28. They're all 4-ounce packs. And of course, it always comes with the flyer, the sale flyer. All right, just wanted to show you guys that. I also have that's from a previous order, 25-pound organic oatmeal. I tried the oatmeal one time. I tried the 5-pound, and it was so good. The 5-pound organic oatmeal was so good. You can see the difference once you're cooking it. There's a difference. So I tried it, and it was really good. But that was from a previous order. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Okay. Again, the kids want to say hi and bye.
Hello.
Wait, I have to get out the way.
Bye. Wait, hi. Hi, but basically bye. No. Wait. Mommy put some rainbow here. Hello.
Okay.
That's pretty.
Bye.